He always looking at me with a stink face. Like I've done something wrong. Meow. 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 I love you, Dexter. But do you love me? I don't know. I don't know. Hi, Dexter. Hi. Oh, okay then, fine. Look how nice the garden looks. No pets there. Beautiful. I love you. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm packing up some more posters. These are the thank you cards for these ones. I had some time on these ones, so I am a bum troll. Set the bum troll on the thank you card, so I put some stuff on some of these ones. So that one's got a pill in it. I think this one has a pill as well. That one's got a pill in it. And this is no before to stay. Look out, there's a before in your house. Oh my god, that's really scary. The slightly annoying thing about these is I have to construct them myself, but it's fine. It's fine. I need 3 more. I know what the hell that is. I assume it's from the factory that these are from. Just random dust. Dusty tubes. Hello. Hello. Obviously the white doesn't really fit the Pooh Farm or Goofy aesthetic, but I think it looks nice with the poster. It looks really nice. Some cute Easter stickers, which I'm sticking the tissue paper together with. The black looks pretty cool as well. Those photos at the Go Pooh Farm. Whoa, heavy metal. It's really, really hot today. I'm not looking forward to going out and posting though. It looks nice. Where's Dexter? Definitely looks nice, but it doesn't feel nice to me. I'm too goth for this. This is my new hat because it's too hot outside to wear my beanie now. Also, I'm really sticky, which is really gross to say. It's because I'm covered in sun cream. One thing about me, I will not burn in the sun. That's not ever happening. Baseball! Yeah, I took a couple of steps outside and it's already gross. Oh. Trees look nice though. Beautiful trees. I am not a sun person. Peas. My sister used to feed our ducks peas, so hopefully the peas of the park, the ducks at the park, will also eat peas. I started making them crisps and I felt bad because you shouldn't give ducks or pigeons food like that. So I'm gonna pay them back with peas instead. Hopefully that reverses the damage. Please like peas. Please like peas. too. I love these flowers. They're so pretty. Look who it is, sniffing my stuff. Hey, 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 come sit on bed. Oh, come sit on bed with me. Here, Dexter, please, please. Finally arrived. I have my cassette because I collect the cassettes. And I didn't know this one came with him on the back. He's hanging out, he's swagging out, he's on the back on the chair. It doesn't stay there though. How am I supposed to get it to stay there? This is the color that I got. Purple, purple. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. It's cool though. He's a cool dude. Look, he sat down. Magical. My favorite album from the track is Marks of the Evil One. And then probably Miscelia Amori. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong. I'm not very good at these kinds of words. I'm not very good at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I can't remember anything else. Super spooky ghost. Mine also came with dead stock Phantomime patch because they had to get rid, but it's fine. I can put it in my ghost box. It's fine. Purple. You just gave me the fright of my life. I didn't know you were there. I didn't know you were there. Jesus. You enjoying the sun? It's a bit hot, isn't it? It is a bit hot. Out I go again. Too warm. These ones are nice. I'm wearing the exact same outfit as yesterday, but it's a good outfit. So, who cares? It's so sunny. I'm glad I'm wearing Flex 50 sun cream thing. Bees. Come on, bees for the pigeons. They love to be. My posters are doing well, which is what I hoped for. Though, I should have opened them internationally because I'm getting a lot of... I should have opened them internationally though. I didn't think that many people internationally wanted them. But a lot of people do. Which is exciting. So, I'll get on that. I have a lot of fear that things will go wrong. And things can actually go wrong with international stuff. I just don't want things to go wrong. In order for things to go right and to evolve, things need to go wrong. That's good. I'm thinking of making a how to fuck your cat poster. You like the Pufatu poster? Because they kidnap cats and make them into farting cats, if you didn't know. So I think that would be a cool idea. We'll make those and launch them with the poo farm posters and make them international. Maybe that'll be the next thing. And then I want to make pins. I make pins so bad. I like this book. It's really pretty. All of the trees that I've drawn and painted on my accounts have been trees in this park. Look at that. It's beautiful. They just have so many diverse kinds of trees. So many birds as well. It's so pretty. Yay. Peas. I think I can see a robin. It might fly. Aww. The peas for pigeons is a good way to get out of the house too. Because otherwise, I'd just be staying in and I won't be doing anything. And that won't be very good for my brain. So I have to get out of the house. That's what swimming is for. Swimming is to make my brain better. It puts me in a position where I can't really overthink because I'm trying not to drown. And peas for pigeons. This makes me happy. These were covered in blossoms a couple of weeks ago, but they're on the floor now. Wow. I didn't see those pink flowers before. They're so pink. Wow. Looks like there's a little pathway. My hands smell like peas. Peas. Oh, hello. 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 Having a nice time in the sun? Yeah. Yeah. That is amazing, actually. Whoa! 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 It's so warm today. I just want to stay in bed where I can't. I'm gonna do stuff. It's not nice, not good. Oh, I did get a brand new shirt though. I'll show you. I'll get dressed and I'll show you my new shirt. Yes, it basically looks exactly like that one. But who gives a damn? It looks good. Shirt. New shirt. New shirt. That looks exactly like my old shirt. Old shirt. But it's not an old shirt, it's just another shirt to wear. Because I only have that shirt that's on the bed that I like. Poster tubes. Like that. It's so warm. This is the complaining alley. When I complain about how hot it is. Ugh. Oh. Hello. Where have you been today? I saw you go on the fence and I was scared. Hi. Do you like my new shirt? Oh. is a drawing I just did of vampires attacking a giraffe. It's funny because vampires drink blood from people's necks, and a giraffe is it's all neck, isn't it? It's all neck. And for something extra, here's a giraffe having a nosebleed, and it also pooing and knows before to going to eat the poo. It's actually where we got Dexter from. Though we have managed to cure him of his farting bottom. The gay Joker. He looks like Frutella.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah. Oh!
That's cool.
No, it's not. That's boring.
I think
Oh, it's just a tiny dinosaur again.
it's always a tiny dinosaur.
Oh.
That's a bit boring, yeah.
It is.
Got this guy. We're going from the advent calendar. That's boring.
Yeah, it is. Boring. What's that? Oh! He's got big hair.
Seth Rollins.
Oh my god.
Keep rolling, rolling, rolling.
How do you know that?
How do I know keep rolling? It's just a song.
But how do you know that's him?
How do I know it's Seth Rollins? Because it says Seth Rollins. What?
Oh, okay. Okay. You're so cute. Oh my god, what the hell? Not too hot today, though I'm still gonna complain. Are you enjoying whatever the hell day is that you are?
I didn't know you were doing a video. I thought you were taking a photo.
No, it's really interesting information about this pastry that you ate.
I normally have it for breakfast before work.
Wow! Okay. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Does it fill you up?
No. Formula One.
Say it.
Chicken jockey.
Chicken jockey. Very expensive. And that is us.
Yeah.
So nice. Pigeon. Whoa, a pigeon. Yes. I feel like they always reserve the best things for friends.
And he glows in the dark, but I'm 50-50 on whether I like that one. I think I prefer the regular City Hunter variant.
I have these two.
Yeah, you do. I wouldn't really pump up like some.
This is a little man. Aww.
Brackets, we meet Mickey Mouse. Hello.
Hello. You're doing
Stop!
Stop!
Don't tell Nikki Blonsky you liked hairspray. She'll never leave your DMs.
Candle. Pair of pants. A spoon. My iPad.
Yeah.
And a Dalek.
Look, is that?
What?
Is that where they live?
Is that where they live? I don't know.
I'm wearing my glasses.
You're not wearing.
It's either
Pants.
ducks or rocks.
What? It's really nice out.
Someone's running towards us.
Yeah,
We caught that.
zombies, no. Say something funny.
I just farted.
Whoa!
The beach that makes you old.
Ah!
Hello. You look nice.
Thanks. Baby swans. Oh! What would you do if they came up to you and kissed you?
Oh, I'll probably kiss them back.
Oh.
They'd join our throuple.
Yeah. Water. Water.
What are we doing here?
What are we doing here? The ducks, where are the ducks?
I mean the swans and shit.
The swans.
Swans and stuff.
Swans and stuff. Beautiful swan. Beautiful swan. Beautiful. Hanging out in his little house on the river. Sitting on the jeans, all nice and snug.
The words of a Manchester gay.
What?
I came for the birds and I left the same way.
Oh! It's windy. I know all these birds. I know them all personally.
Wow.
Yeah. Kingfisher. Canada goose. Scary. Scary swamp. Do a scary face. Not fishing. Oh my. Swans. Whoa. Yeah. He kept trying to look at my grapes to get me to give him some, but he can't eat grapes. He is a cat. Or something.